Here's how to enable regional pricing on a Roblox pass so players in different countries pay prices adjusted for their local market. Open the Roblox website and click Create at the top to go to the Creator Hub. On the left sidebar, click Creations and select the experience you want to enable regional pricing for. Inside the Experience settings, find the Monetization tab. You may need to expand it. Click on Passes to see all the passes associated with that experience. Click on the specific pass you want to apply regional pricing to. Go to the Sales section and you will see the Enable Regional Pricing toggle. Switch it on and save your changes. Regional pricing is worth enabling if your experience has a global audience. It adjusts the pass price automatically for different regions based on purchasing power parity, meaning players in lower-income regions see a lower price in their local currency, which typically increases the number of purchases overall rather than reducing revenue. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.